Hello friends, my name is Shubham Datta and I am a BSc Geology graduate from St. Xavier's College, and my batch was 2017-20 and I graduated last year itself. So I have been approached from one of my NCC juniors, that is Purva Kumari, to enlighten you guys with the proper information of the geology department, how it works, and what should be the approach to crack the entrance paper of St. Xavier's College Geology, and what are the timings, the uniform dress or the dress code, and what is the paper distribution of the first semester in future if it is needed for the physical classes. So talking about the entrance papers, guys, you have to go through the very basic knowledge of geography, not geology. So you should have the proper knowledge of 8th, 9th, 10th geography. Like from physical geography to interplanetary geology, the basics one like Mars, Earth, Moon, and the inner Earth geology, the mantle, core, वगैरह वगैरह जो होता है सारा. So इन सारे टॉपिक्स को you need to go through it thoroughly, because in my time I had around 80 questions in 2017, and I solved to 72 and I qualified it. So you have to have good interest along with knowledge, then only you can score good marks in the entrance, and you can be in the safe zone for the qualification or for acquiring a seat in the geology department of St. Xavier's College. Now, talking about the dress code, so we people were lucky and unlucky at the same time, because first of all dress code जो था वो था casual. Okay, there was no particular dress code like botany, mathematics और तुम्हारा English department जैसा. So we had to wear the casual dresses. So इसमें जो it is a personal experience that I want to share, that we had every day like in confusion कि आज क्या पहने. That was a disadvantage of casual dress code. Now talking about the uniform, yes, same monotonous dress रहेगा हर दिन पहनो, but वही first advantage उसका यही है कि you don't have to be choosy about your clothes, okay, and there is no discrimination in uniform or dress code, in a single dress code. So now coming to the timings, so timings were in the first semester were from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. We had not let's come to the paper distribution. We had two geology papers, one ACC paper that was communication skills, that is actually was English, and one GE paper. Now you will have two geology paper. I can't say exactly that will be the geology paper for the first semester, because the faculty members change the syllabus time to time to bring to keep up the dynamism in the education process, or educating the new aspiring geologists. So what I see these that in not talking about the G paper, you have to have proper hold. If you are from PCM background, like I will give you the best combination, that is maths and physics and maths and chemistry, or you can go for physics and chemistry as well. Now I won't talk about the biology students, they can go for zoology, botany, and you also have other departments like computer applications, and the IT department giving their courses as a GE. Now please prepare well for GE पेपर, बिकॉज उसमें ही सबसे ज़्यादा बंदियाँ फेल होती हैं, ठीक है, उसमें कोई ध्यान नहीं देता है, इसलिए बहुत कम मार्क्स भी उठता है. तो मैंने जो गलती किया था, मैंने मेरे अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूँ कि मैंने अपने फर्स्ट और सेकंड सेमेस्टर में अराउंड मेरा जो CGPA था 7 था. अब 7 जो डूब गया उधर फर्स्ट ईयर में मेरा, तो आई हैड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क. लाइक फिर मेरा थर्ड सेमेस्टर, फोर्थ सेमेस्टर, सिक्स सेमेस्टर में अराउंड 850 ऊपर CGPA था, तब जाके मेरा CGPA जो एवरेज बना लास्ट का, दैट वाज 8.17 और 8.2 और समथिंग. सो कीप इन माइंड कि जी के लिए अच्छे से मेहनत करना है, जी में एकदम ढिलाई नहीं करना. एंड 2 जियोलॉजी पेपर रहेगा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर्स में, और एक ACC पेपर रहेगा. और ACC पेपर में इंग्लिश रहेगा, तो उसमें तुम लोगों को इंग्लिश जो लेटर राइटिंग होता है, एसे राइटिंग होता है, पैसे राइटिंग होता है, नोटिस राइटिंग होता है, आर्टिकल राइटिंग होता है, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो उसमें भी कोई कमजोरी नहीं, बिकॉज जो ACC वाले टीचर्स होते हैं एकदम मार्क्स नहीं रहते, खासकर इस वाले में. तो I hope you found this video informative, and it helped through you and helped you to learn a lot about our department now. और अच्छा एक बात तो मैं और ऐड करना चाहता हूँ that the geology departments has around 3 to 4 faculties, and they are very good faculties. Okay, you should respect them, and you will get respect from back from them. So, and if you have any doubts, they will बेझिझक पूछो उनसे, and they will help you without any doubt. So, thank you. Thank you, Purva, for asking me to do this video. Thank you so much.